Goochie, and today marks the very first episode of the sex series. No, I'm not making a porno, however I am going to be making quite a few cocktails over the next coming weeks with the word sex in the title. Why am I doing this? Well, it's a little bit tongue-in-cheek because I read an article over the weekend about sales activity in Australia. Yes, toilet paper on the rise, antibacterial hand gel, vitamin C, booze, antidepressants, but in addition to that, it seems that the sex industry is doing quite well at the moment. Apparently sales for sex toys have gone through the roof. So with that in mind, I thought, how can I complement these activities? Oh, not really. Tongue-in-cheek, I thought, you know what, I'm going to make the sex series. So to kick off the sex series, I am going to be showing you how to make a sex on the beach. Now this cocktail has been around since the 1980s, which is almost 40 years now. It has stood the test of time because it's super tasty. You only need 4 ingredients to make this drink and you can whip it up in no time. You can either shake it or you can pour it directly into the glass. It's entirely up to you. Now, given that this is Goochie's cocktail show, I'm going to be shaking my sex on the beach today, and I'm going to be tweaking the measurements to my taste. The sex on the beach can be quite a strong cocktail. I'm toning it down by adding a little bit more mixer. All right, let's get on with making this drink. First thing we need to do, put some ice into your shaker. You'll then need a jigger. I am using a 45ml jigger today. So that would be 1.5 shots in Australia, or this is 1.5 ounces. So I'm using a 45ml jigger today. You will need 1.5 shots of vodka. You'll need a shot of peach schnapps. You'll need 2 shots of cranberry juice. Oops. And 2 shots of orange juice. I'm using this gorgeous little pouch, organic orange juice from Aldi. So 2 shots of that. 1, 2. Now I'm going to put my lid on and I'm going to shake. Alright, so that is well shaken. But before I pour it into the glass, I'm going to get my garnish ready. So, I have an orange slice that I pre-cut earlier. I'm just going to put that through the center, and I'm going to add cherry. Actually, I'm going to add 2 cherries. Cherry on top. And voila, we are done. This is a sex on the beach. Cheers. That's so yummy. I love the peach and the citrus. It's such a gorgeous drink. It seriously tastes like juice, which is great. Probably understand why it's called sex on the beach. You know, 5 of these and you might be making some pretty bad decisions. I mean, after all, this particular version has 3 shots of alcohol in it. So 5 of those, that's 15 shots of booze. You might end up at the beach with sand everywhere. All right, guys, well, that brings me to the end of my episode today. Look forward to catching up with you on Friday, where I'll be making my next sex series episode. All right, guys, I'll catch you then. Bye.